Hello everyone and welcome to GSMA Intelligence video series. In this video today, I am going to answer one of the commonly asked questions. What are the different sources for the data on GSMA Intelligence and how can we access them? Now, GSMA Intelligence offers two types of data sets to its customers under the data section. The first one is the key performance indicators or metrics as we call for operator groups or MVNOs. The second type of data sets is the various list in the form of operator list, network list, MVNO list and so on. So for the key performance indicator, the primary source of information is the operator level and regulator level reports as released on their respective websites. We scan through their monthly, quarterly, annual and other reports to identify and collect information. We also scan through any filings made by operators to respective stock exchanges or regulatory bodies alongside information from their call transcripts or analyst briefings. For the various lists, in addition to the sources already mentioned on the last slide, we also scan through the websites of operators and regulators to identify the various product offerings, technology updates, license and spectrum details. Where relevant information is available from authentic and trustworthy third-party news sources or local news sources, we also update our list using that. So those are the different sources that we use to collect data on GSMA Intelligence platform. Now, if you have to access these sources, click on Data within the Products and Services section. On the left-hand tab, you will see sources appearing. Click on Sources and within the sources, click on Operator Sources. You will see all the sources nicely categorized into different buckets. Depending on which report you want to offer, click on the operator folders and then you can see all the operators listed here. So depending on which operator's report you need, you can click on the respective folder and access the reports here. I'll click on Bharti Airtel to give you an example. So this is how all the reports are listed and you can access reports for all the operators and regulators in the same fashion. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are a GSMA Intelligence subscriber, you can access these sources using your subscription details. And if you wish to subscribe, please do get in touch with us using the contact details below. Thank you and have a nice day.